Today we are going to learn how to solve systems of linear equations using substitution method. This lesson is from grade 9 mathematics. So on the next slide, we are gonna see the definition of what a system of linear equation is. It's a set of two equations with the same variables. Our goal is to find x and y that satisfy both equations at the same time. For example, consider the following systems of equations. 2x minus 3y equals 5 and 5x plus 3y equals 9. We will solve this system using substitution method. The substitution method means we first make one variable the subject of an equation. Then we substitute this expression into one other equation. So this allows us to change two equations into one equation. After that, we are gonna start with the equation. The equation 2x minus 3y equals 5. Solving for y, we get y equals 2 over 3, x minus 5, x minus 5 over 3. Next, we substitute this equation for y into the second equation. So that gives us 5x plus 3 times the expression equals 9. On the next slide, now we simplify that step by step. So 5x plus 2x minus 5 equals 9. 7x minus 5 equals 9. 7x equal 14. So x equals to 2. Now we substitute the values of x, which is 2, into one of the original equations. So 2 times 2 minus 3y equals to 5. Solving this, we find y equals to negative 1 over 3. Therefore, the solution of the system is ordered pair 2, negative 1 over 3. This ordered pair satisfies both equations. If substitution results in true statement, such as negative 15 equals negative 15, then the system has infinite solutions. Thank you.